I just wanna dive in the water with you, baby. We can't see the bottom. It's so easy.
Hello and welcome to the Experiment Kitchen. Today I will be making an Arabic dish that is so delicious and so authentic. It is basically called in English a eggless semolina cake, but in Arabic it has several names. Sometimes they call it basbousa, sometimes they call it harissa, and sometimes they call it namura. So let's just call it a semolina cake, and for that you will be needing 2 cups of semolina into a mixing bowl, which is going to be our main mixing bowl for today. So to this I'll be adding sweetened condensed milk. I am using the Nestle brand. So let's begin by adding this into our semolina. And this is really delicious. You will never regret from making this. But also, it's very naughty. It's really naughty, but it's amazing. And it's usually eaten in the holy month of Ramadan, which is the fasting month for Muslims. Just some facts for you to know. So yeah, you're just gonna be adding this condensed milk, all of it. Make sure that you get each and every one, because each and every edge from the can, because you don't want to be wasting this delicious naughty goodness. So we'll be adding this. Oh yeah, and if you will be hearing a baby in the background, that's my daughter just being herself. So yeah, just letting you know. After you have added all of the condensed milk into the semolina, just give it a mix, just, to get it just all incorporated, like, really well. But just a very light mix, just, to get it all in there. Then to this, you will be adding 1 cup of sunflower oil or any other flavorless oil. You don't want to be adding a flavored oil, since it's just going to, like, ruin the taste of the basbousa or of our semolina cake. So to this mixture, we'll be adding our 1 cup of sunflower oil. Really naughty, really naughty, but really worth it. It's worth every second. You'll be adding this. Then just give it a mix, just to get it all there, all in there, all of it to be just incorporated and really smooth. But don't worry if it doesn't really come out smooth at this stage, because we're still going to add water to this. After it is all there, incorporated and just being well mixed. To this, then you'll be adding a little dash of vanilla extract, just for an added flavor, because you don't want to overpower it again, not with the oil, not with the vanilla extract, or with any other extracts or flavorings, because the main flavor is going to come from the syrup that we're going to prepare later when this is in the oven baking. We're going to be doing a syrup, a basic sugar syrup, but there is going to be a secret ingredient. If you stay tuned, you're going to know what it is. Yeah, so if you heard there a baby, that's, again, my daughter just being herself. Alright, then to this mixture, you'll just be adding 1 cup of water. Just normal room temperature water. And yes, the mixture looks really very weird and awkward right now, but it is all going to get mixed really well, and it's going to be delicious. You just got to be patient and just keep mixing till you get it all there, all done. Don't worry, it looks really weird now. Yes, it looks really weird, but you're gonna get there. You're gonna get there. Oopsie. Oops. So yeah, just mix it really well. It is going to be a really runny batter, but you're gonna be surprised by the outcome. I'm telling you. Oh yeah, and meanwhile, while you're preparing this batter for our semolina cake, please preheat your oven um, for on 190 degrees Celsius degrees, and make sure it's really gonna be hot when you put this mixture in. And this is gonna take about like 30 to 40 minutes in the oven. Well, just basically 30 to 40 minutes, just until the top will be golden and brown. Well, I'm just gonna show you how it is gonna be. But yeah, but now you can see that the mixture is runny, but it's changed its texture. All the water is incorporated, excuse me there. And our oil is not yet fully incorporated. You just want to mix it, you just combine it all together. You don't want to over mix it, because then the oil is going to tighten the mixture, which you don't really want. You need to make it in a square one and in a bigger one, so it doesn't be like so it doesn't end up being a cake. But this is what I have right now, and I don't mind it being a cake. Well, this is a semolina cake after all. I don't mind. I have made this before, but in a square baking dish, and it was really thin and nice, how it's supposed to be. But right now, as I've already mentioned, my square baking dish is broken, so we'll be using this, and it's gonna be really thick, and like more like a cake, like this. Forgive my dirty hands. Yeah, it's gonna be more like a cake, less like the. You know what? We're just gonna see at the end how it's gonna turn out. So now we'll be putting this in the oven, as I've mentioned before, at 190 degrees Celsius, of course, for 30 to 40 minutes until the top is all brown and delicious. And yeah, sometimes some people like to add their almonds at this stage. You know, just like in the place that you will cut the square, just put an almond, like an almond per square, like a brownie, you know. But I prefer it without the almonds, so let's pop this in the oven, and we can start with our syrup. See you. 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water, and a slice of lemon there. And we're just gonna stir this and cook this till all of the sugar has been dissolved, and until it turns into a syrupy consistency. The secret ingredient is the rose water, and it's gonna add to the flavor of our semolina cake, or the basbousa. It's like maybe like a teaspoon of lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, but I prefer the whole slice of lemon, as it's gonna add to that flavor, and it's gonna be delicious along with the rose water. Oh yum! So we're stirring it, and I'll come back when the syrup is done, and when our basbousa, semolina cake, also is gonna be done. So I'll see you in a while. Bye. So let's begin now. We're just cutting it into serving sizes. I'm gonna go with my knife and just cut not so big of a square. Cut them all before pouring the syrup, so that the syrup has a place to, just get itself through the whole cake, and you will have to, I know it is very tempting to just go ahead and dig into this goodness, but you have to wait at least 30 minutes, so that all of the syrup is absorbed by our gorgeous semolina cake. Be quiet there. After we have cut it into like vertical lines, we're gonna go ahead and make 3 horizontal cuts. So yeah, you want the semolina cake to absorb all, or at least most, of the syrup, so that it will be really spongy, and it's gonna be really yummy, really spongy, really yummy, really gorgeous tasting, and very naughty. But again, you don't have to eat it every day. So enjoy it. So yeah, that's all. After a while, I will cut into it. As soon as a bit of the syrup has been absorbed, I will cut into this, and I will show you how a square slice looks like when it's taken out of this dish. And yeah, this is all for my recipe for today, for our semolina cake recipe for our basbousa. I really hope that you give it a try. It is really simple, really, really, really simple. It just uses minimal ingredients, and it's really, really, really delicious. I really hope you try it and you make it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified for when I post another delicious video recipe. So yeah, I'll see you cutting the slice. So this is our slice of our baked and absorbed by syrup basbousa, and let's take a bite out of it. Oh wow, this is so yummy. You should really give this a try. I mean, wow. And your kids and your guests are going to approve of it. Trust me. This is a really, really, really popular Arabic sweet, and you should really give it a go. And if you do try this, please, please leave a comment down below saying that you have tried it and tell me if you have succeeded or not. And if not, I will try and help you. And please also make sure to follow me on Instagram and post. Can you be quiet, please? Thank you. Be quiet, please. And also tag me on Instagram to a photo of this dish if you have prepared it using my recipe, so that I could see it and I could possibly follow you. So yeah, that's all for today's video recipe. I really hope that you give this a go, and I really hope that you will be happy while cooking it, baking it, eating it, sharing it. And that's all for today. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video. Your support means a lot to me. And please also don't forget to leave your comments, and of course support me by subscribing to our YouTube channel. And I really wish that I could help you to cook delicious food, to bake delicious food, and really inspire you. And thank you so much again for watching. I know I talk a lot, but this is all for today. Thank you. Bye.